It's no longer news that Grok AI is now paid, and a lot of us were using it to animate and edit our photos. Honestly, it was helpful, but right now, it's no longer freely accessible like before. But here's the good news. There's still a way you can use Grok AI for free without paying for any subscription. In my last AI video, I showed us how to access Grok for free and also at a cheaper rate. And I also promised to show us another method. So in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to use Grok for free, no subscription. And if you haven't watched the previous video, check the link in the description after this. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I create simple AI and brand building tutorials on this channel. And if you are serious about using AI to your advantage, make sure you subscribe because I share practical tips like this every week. Let's get straight into it. So this is the platform we'll be using. It gives you access to different AI models, including tools similar to Grok. So to access it, just go to your browser and type in this link. So let me show you how to sign up for free on this website. First, you click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, this is where you select the account or the method you want to use to sign up here. So I already have an account here, so I'm actually signing in. So when I click here, I'll have different options to select from. I'll have to select any of my email that I want to use. You can actually sign up with Google or with Microsoft, but the fastest way is going with Google. So when you click on Google, you have to select the particular email that you want to use to sign up. I'll click on this, my email. So it will show me the different emails that I can use that should choose for me to sign in. Like I said, I already have an account. So signing in and signing up are a similar process. Just select your email. That's it. So we are signed in already. These are other models that are actually trained here. See, other models, other amazing models you can actually work with here. So you're not just having access to just Grok, you're having access to different models as well. So look at it here. You're having access to 64 models. So you can make your choice, the ones you love, or your favorite application, your favorite platform, you can use them here for free. Okay, there's one thing I want to know about this platform. It still has limits, okay? It's not that you can generate videos unlimited. It still has limits. Just like the Grok we have been used to, more persons tend to create accounts with different Gmails. But you can actually go ahead with that. It's your choice. But meanwhile, it is still worth it if you can pay for their plans. So without wasting much time, let me show you how you can use Grok on this platform. So you can either scroll here to look for Grok, or you simply type Grok. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type Grok instead of trying to look for it. So here we have Grok. So all you have to do is click on it. So when you get here, you have different options. You have image to image, image to video, text to image, text to video, extend, upscale. Okay, that's their model type here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use text to video. Okay, so it's your choice. Just select anyone you want. That is image to image, image to video, text to image, text to anyone you want to do here. Okay, well, for this tutorial, using text to video. So what do? You just select the model you want, the model type. So I'm going to click on text to video. So all you have to do is scroll down to this place where you see inputs. Okay, where you see prompts. Now, because it is text to image, it's text to video, you need a prompt. That's the right of more like a command you give to the AI tool. Okay, we already have an arranged prompt here, which came like as a default in this platform. So we are going to work with it anyways. We're going to work with it and just to make sure that this video is wrapped up in no time. So when you want to generate, all you have to do is paste your prompt here. This place that they see prompt, just paste your prompt there, okay? When you paste your prompt, you click on this place that you see run. So you click on run. So this is how you generate your own. Just click on run. So before you click on run, you scroll down to this place where you have aspect ratio. Your choice of aspect ratio depends on the platform you want to post it on. That's the video. Okay. If I'm to post on YouTube, I will use this particular 16:9. Okay. If I'm to post on TikTok or Facebook Reel, Instagram Reel, or YouTube Short, I'll use 9:16. Okay. It's more like an Instagram post or a Facebook post. I will use this 1:1. Okay, so it's your choice. So just know the platform you want to post it on and use the accurate aspect ratio. Then you click on mode. You can select, do you want it normal, spicy, or fun? Just select what you want. I'll prefer to use normal for this tutorial. Then duration, how long do you want it? You know that the least duration you can generate your videos on Grok is actually 6 seconds. So we can actually do 10 here or 6, anyone you want, but I'm going to leave it on 6. Then you select a resolution, either 480p or 720p. Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at 480p. So when all these things are set, all you have to do is click on run, okay? So we're going to click on run now. So while it is rolling, you have to wait for it. And if you want to learn more about AI tools and how to actually use them to make money or create content, you can join my AI community. The link is in the description. So now it is no longer rolling. This is how you know that your video has been generated. So all you have to do is scroll down to this place where you see output. Okay, see the video and we can play it here. See, 6 seconds. So let's play. Amazing. Okay, so this is how you generate your video. You can generate images, can generate videos here. So if you want to download your video, all you have to do is click on this download icon here, or you simply long press the video and if you download it to your device. So now you might be wondering, what exactly can I use Grok for? There are actually a lot of things you can do with it: image creation, image animation, image editing, and more. In my next AI video, I'll show you exactly how to use Grok for image animation and other powerful things you can do with it. So you can take your time to create more videos, generate more images here, because we have different models you can actually explore on this platform. If this video helps you, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be sharing more simple AI tutorials like this. See you in my next video.